What should I do if the ADT doorbell battery does not charge?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be tackling a common issue with the ADT doorbell: what to do if the battery doesn't charge. It's crucial to ensure that our doorbells are always functioning, especially for security reasons. So, let's dive into some steps you can take if you find your ADT doorbell battery isn't charging. Safety first. Always make sure your doorbell is not connected to a power source when trying these troubleshooting steps.
Is your charger working properly?
Before diving into the doorbell itself, let's make sure the basics are in check. 1. Inspect the charger for any visible damages. 2. Test the charger on another device, if possible, to confirm it's working. 3. Check the charging cable. Sometimes, the cable could be the culprit. Try using another compatible cable to charge the doorbell.
Checking the doorbell's charging port.
If the charger seems to be working, 1. Inspect the charging port on the doorbell. Ensure it's free from debris, dirt, or any obstructions. 2. Gently clean the port using a soft brush or compressed air. Avoid inserting any sharp objects which might cause damage.
Resetting the doorbell.
Sometimes, electronic devices need a simple reset to function correctly. 1. Locate the reset button on your ADT doorbell. 2. Press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. 3. After resetting, try charging the doorbell again.
Testing the battery.
If the above methods don't work, the battery itself might be the issue. 1. Carefully remove the battery from the doorbell, if possible. 2. Check for any visible damages or signs of leaking. 3. If you have another compatible battery, swap it and see if the doorbell charges. If it does, the original battery may be faulty and might need replacement. If you've tried all these steps and the battery still won't charge, it's best to contact ADT customer support or a professional for further assistance. Always remember that regular maintenance and checks can prevent many issues. We hope this guide was helpful in troubleshooting your ADT doorbell battery. Stay safe, and thanks for tuning in.